how can you be more productive when you are doing a work, studying, or something like that? Now, this is pretty easy if you ask me, because I used to be in your situation where I was like jumping from work to work. And here's what helped me to actually fix my attention. So I'm not going to waste your time, just get straight into the point, and I'm going to share with thing which actually worked for me and may works for you. Now, first thing I did was I literally removed every single thing which can actually take my attention from one stuff to a stuff. So I removed every single thing from my desk. I just had that single particular thing which I need to complete my work. So if you want to be more attentive, productive at your work, just remove, let's say, your Rubik's Cube, let's say your family photo or a photo with your friend. Because let's say when you see the Rubik's Cube and you're working in a project or something like that, you're going to think, okay, let's take a break. Let's just solve it for some time. This won't hurt. But deep down, it will hurt you. It will hurt your attention and your family photo. You're going to remember, oh yeah, I had such a great time with this person, with my family in the tour. So this will take your attention from your project to somewhere else. And let's say you're studying, okay? So if you are studying a desk where you have your computer, first of all, if you can remove the monitor, or if you can't, just cover it with something, a cloth maybe, all right? Because computer can literally take your attention from your study to game or movie or something like that, okay? So yeah, rearranging your desk can actually make you 2 times more productive. Science actually proves this as well. If you don't believe me, I'll just leave some link in the description where it shows that rearranging your desk, removing unnecessary things, actually make you productive. Yes.